Hi, this is Marsha, and you're watching This Week in 60 Seconds. Oh my gosh, you guys, I have so much to share. I only have 1 minute, so I gotta get going. First and foremost, we have a brand new blog post out talking about small group instruction and how you can deploy small group instruction in a 45-minute class period where you meet with every student. This comes with a really great video series that you can take a look at and use in your classrooms. Next, we have a workshop series. In April, we have 4 free workshops starting this week where we're going to be talking about setting up for success and giving you organization and resource tools to help you deploying small group instruction, independent practice, digital content, and future-ready activities in your classroom. You guys, this is a great workshop. You want to make sure you hit that on April 12th. And then last but not least, we have a part 1 of the field guide now available for purchase. The part 1 includes the foundational 4 elements, which is small group instruction, data-driven environment, checklist, and how to increase that student engagement and ownership. It's on sale now. Take a look at it in our store.